In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your GoDaddy account by cancelling all of your active products and subscriptions. We'll walk through each step slowly so you know exactly what to click, what to look out for, and what happens after you make these changes. First, you'll want to sign into your GoDaddy account and get to the renewals and billing page. Start by opening your web browser and going to the GoDaddy website. In the top right corner, click on the sign in option, enter your login details and complete any verification that's required, such as a code sent to your email or phone. Once you're logged in, look for an area related to account settings, billing, or renewals. You're aiming for the section called Renewals and Billing. This is the page where GoDaddy lists all of the products and services tied to your account, like domains, hosting plans, email services, and other add-ons. It may load as a table or list, and you should see details like product names, expiration dates, and renewal statuses. Take a moment here to review what's on this page. This is important because cancelling renewals or deleting products is permanent. If there's anything you might need later, consider whether you want to back up your data, transfer a domain, or make a note of any important settings before you continue. Once products are deleted or allowed to expire, recovering them can be difficult or sometimes impossible. When you're ready, look for an option that lets you select products. In most cases, there will be checkboxes next to each product or a select all option that lets you highlight everything at once. Since your goal is to delete your account by cancelling everything tied to it, you'll want to select all of the products listed on this page. If you prefer, you can also go one by one, but selecting all at once is usually faster and ensures nothing is missed. After you've selected all products, look for a button or link that says Cancel, Renewal, or Delete Product. The exact wording can vary depending on the product and GoDaddy's current layout, but it should clearly indicate that the product will no longer renew or will be removed. Click that option. You may be asked to confirm your choice in a pop-up window or a confirmation screen. Read that message carefully because it will typically explain if the product will stop renewing at the end of the current term or if it will be deleted right away. Confirm your selection to complete the process. Once you've cancelled renewals or deleted all products, your GoDaddy account will essentially be cleared of active services. Over time, as those remaining terms expire, the account will no longer have any active products associated with it. That's how you delete your GoDaddy account, by cancelling everything from the renewals and billing page.